Gagajoy. Well, this is for all my doubting friends that I would ever find another cabbage recipe, but I did. And of course I tweaked it my own way, but I have a cabbage and pepperoni recipe. And you bake it in the oven on 400. This is a couple times I've done this. And the thing about cabbage is, if you bake it, it's tough. So what I did, cheat it a little bit. I put it in a pan and cooked it for exactly 4 minutes. Then I dumped the water off and I put it and let it cool. So everything will have the same temperature to start with. But I don't have any luck with cabbage baking it. So I thought this may help. We're going to put a little, my hands are always clean, a few peppers in it. Just to pretty it up, make it look a little bit colorful. And onion. Big or little. Now, I could have put this in a bigger pan, but, and that's only a half a head of lettuce. But it's just me this weekend, so I'm just going to make me some cornbread and have cabbage several times. I have no gripes about that. Our kids go to the lake on weekends, and one works, and the other one puts things together for his family. So this is quite normal for our a little bit of oil on it. Onion powder. There's a little onion in it. And some of my dinnos. Love it, love it, love it. Now there's no salt to dinnos, so I'm going to put up my blend of salt, pepper, and garlic. I got my oven almost, well, it is 400. Just want to stick it around a little bit. It'd be very flavorful. And I do, again, love vegetables. As I know that you all do too, let me know. Well, we'll put a little heat in it. This is Creole, and it's not real hot. It's just got that good flavor in it. Look at it. Now, put as much pepperoni as we want to. I'm putting it under so it doesn't dry out, like I was worried about the cabbage drying out. Get my little dog piece of pepperoni. Now, this is a big bag. I don't think I'm going to use it all. Actually, this is a good one to use on the blacktop grills they've got now. This would be a wonderful additive. New one. Anyway, I'm just getting that in there. Now again, in about 20 minutes, I'll flip it to see how it's doing. Okay, we're on our way to the oven. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, gee, that does look good, doesn't it? Yeah, everything's been done too, because onions and peppers and everything is good and done. Wow. I'm not very hungry though. I will be. Let me get a piece of cabbage here. I'm glad I did it after all. What can I say? It's perfect. The pepperoni got brown. So did the onions. Well, another one down. Well, this is a good one for the weekend or for the blacktops if you try. Well, take care of yourself. Have a good weekend. We're right in the middle of summer, and let's just hope it slows down and we enjoy it for a long time. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Remember the joy.